Devant Sonic Light. Oh, let's sing, guys. Highway run into the midnight sun.
Hello everyone! Naghahanap ba kayo ng maganda at bagong portable speaker to help you level up your audio, party, and karaoke experience with your family and friends for your events and gatherings this year? Well, here's the all-new Devant Sonic Light! Devant Sonic Light portable speaker is priced at 13,900 pesos if you will pay cash. And here are 6 reasons why I highly recommend it. Reason number 1, it has a high-powered 5.25-inch woofer, ensuring sound is strong and loud for more impactful audio. Kahit taasan ng volume, hindi basag ang tunog.
I was born to be free.
Reason number 2 is the 8 hours playtime with 50% volume. Yay! Dylan, sing! You can do it! Garantisadong hindi mabibitin ang party experience kasi hindi mabilis malobat ang Devant Sonic Light. Reason number 3 is Flexi Bass, which delivers robust, deep bass that enhances listening experience and energizes any event. Feel na feel mo ang pagkanta, pagsayaw at pakikinig sa favorite songs mo. Reason number 4 is that Devant Sonic Light is IPX4 splash proof, which means that you can bring it with you to your outdoor events and not worry about accidental splashes and exposure to water. Mas confident kang dalhin outdoors ang speaker na to kasi splash proof.
Don't be afraid to get crazy. Wait for the weekend.
Reason number 5 is the party light of the Devant Sonic Light, which definitely enhances visual and interactive experience. Nakakadagdag sa masaya at lively na atmosphere ang party lights. Ganda, di ba guys? And finally, reason number 6 are the 2 free wireless mics worth 3,500 pesos that come free with a Devant Sonic Light. So if you love singing karaoke with your family and friends, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng separate microphone dahil libre na yan with a Devant Sonic Light. Hindi lang isa, kundi dalawa.
Okay, once the wireless microphone has been connected to the Devant Sonic Light, you can use your smart TV or even your smartphone that's connected to the portable speaker via Bluetooth to play your favorite karaoke videos and sing. Devant Sonic Light. Highway run into the midnight sun. Wheels go round and round, you're on my mind. Yun lang.
So there you have it guys. Yun ang 6 na dahilan ko why I highly recommend the Devant Sonic Light. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng way to improve the sound quality of your parties at home, in the office, or even outdoors, don't forget to check out this all-new portable speaker. Ito nga pala yung quick unboxing ko. Of course, we have the speaker unit itself, and then the user manual, and then we also have the power cord, And finally, we have the 2 free wireless microphones, kasama na yung receiver nila, and also the carrying pouches. Finally, ito naman yung different panels ng speaker. So what are you waiting for? Buy the Devance Sonic Lite and be the life of the party!